In this week's CCJ Tech Shorts, Here Technologies goes after complex routing with AI. Drivewyze has partnered with the Texas DOT. NEXIQ updates its eTechnician to include Mitchell 1 diagnostic information, and DispatchMVP.AI expects to launch an AI-powered dispatch platform later this year. Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm Jason Cannon, Chief Editor for CCJ, filling in temporarily for Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. Here Technologies has launched a new AI-powered fleet optimization software package that offers location-based capabilities aimed at improving ETAs and reduced operational cost by leveraging AI to help solve complex routing operation problems for commercial fleets. Components and features of the Here Fleet Optimization Package include best-in-class map content and complex routing scenarios that consider real-time and historical traffic alongside vehicle and road restrictions to ensure optimal deployment of multi-vehicle commercial fleets. Optimize safe and accurate navigation solutions customized to truck, light commercial vehicle, and two-wheeler routing profiles. Validated address accuracy and optimized route planning through precise geo-coordinates, ensuring fleet movements are based on the most accurate and current data available. And up-to-date detailed map data in raster and vector formats, with rich attributes used specifically by commercial vehicles, including road restrictions, bridge heights, road topography, and topography overall. Drivewyze has partnered with the Texas Department of Transportation on a new smart roadway service that uses Drivewyze connected network and NEXIQ real-time traffic data. The latest National Highway Traffic Safety Administration report from 2021 showed Texas had the most fatalities involving commercial trucks of any state with 806. Through Drivewyze Smart Roadways, 285 miles of I-45 between Dallas and Galveston are currently being monitored, providing truck drivers with in-cab alerts on sudden and unexpected slowdowns of traffic and other hazards. By the end of July, more than 3,000 interstate miles in Texas will be monitored. The in-cab alerts, using visual messages such as sudden slowdown ahead, along with an audible chime, are configured to allow ample time for trucks to slow down or stop as necessary. NEXIQ Technologies eTechnician, a PC-based diagnostic software that delivers diagnostics capabilities for engines, transmissions, brakes, body and chassis, and more, now includes Mitchell 1's Repair Connect diagnostics information. Through this collaboration, eTechnician users gain immediate access to Repair Connect's engine fault code testing and repair procedures for all makes of Class 4 through 8 commercial trucks. Repair Connect provides fault code diagnostics, wiring diagrams, specifications, component locations, connector views, test steps, and removal and installation procedures. NEXIQ Product Manager Dave Schock says the combined suite of information ensures technicians get the information they need in a more streamlined and efficient process to successfully diagnose and repair vehicles, adding that users can seamlessly navigate from one information source to the other through the eTechnician diagnostics tool, eliminating the need to toggle between two software platforms. DispatchMVP.AI says it expects to launch its AI-powered dispatch platform this September. Key features include AI-driven route planning, real-time monitoring and alerts, proactive maintenance scheduling using AI to analyze vehicle sensor data, automation of driver hours of service logging, advanced analytics and reporting, and streamlined management of electronic documentation, including trip sheets, bills of lading, and invoices. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.